to this shell. In this video, we'll discuss some more interesting points regarding to this Python shell. So this time I'm going to work on Python 3.6.5. So I'm going to click on this new file. Yeah, we got this right. So if I give a is equals to 9 and b is equals to 99, and if I press tab, p is equals to 9 and d is equals to 99, c is equals to 99. So if I run this module, so before that I need to save this test. So you can see here unexpected indent error. Unexpected indent error means, so make sure in Python you need to write the code line by line. You need to write the code line by line. So if you write the code here or in here, I mean if you write according to your wish, if you press double taps or triple taps or 5 tabs or 5 spaces, so you will get an indent block errors. So mainly you need to remember, make sure you need to write the code in line by line. According to the requirement, you need to write the code line by line. But most of the times I had worked in Python IDLE only, but I didn't face any indent block errors because I have some experience with Python IDLE. So if you practice, keep on practice on this Python IDLE, you will get a good command over this Python IDLE. I'll get good command on this. So similarly, we had discussed the file menus, the same options here also. So no need to discuss not wrong. So here also the same options is there, and the format also. So you can see here. So this tab, the main thing is we need to discuss this indent region. So you can see if you don't know. So if you got any indent block error, so if you press this indent region, automatically it will go to this indent region. So if you press control square bracket and control the square bracket, open and close brackets there are. So comment out region. So if you type this comments means, so in Python how many ways you can comment means there are 3 ways. So using hash also you can comment, means I will type this. If you want to make a comment, hello, if you type this, it is a comment. If you use single quote also, it is a comment. If you use triple lines also, it is also a comment. So it is printing like a string. So if you want to know how can you make a comment in coding lines, you can clearly understand that. So I will update a document for that also. So please go through there, please read that, and you will get a clear idea about this. How can you make a comment in Python? So if you type directly like this in Python IDLE, it will be like a string. Okay, it will be like a string. And next one is run, we had discussed, and options also we had discussed. And window means, so which window? So there are 2 windows here, and this is the test file window, and this is the Python IDLE window. So this also we had discussed. The main reason of this video is, so you need to know, it is a basic thing. While you are going to Python means it is a basic thing you need to know, and you need to know about this indent block errors. So you need to know about this indent errors. So in here also, if you type a is equals to 9, if you space double spaces b is equals to 09, you can see here unexpected indent. So that's why I'm telling you. So if you perform normal arithmetic operations also, you need to take care of these blocks. So make sure the code will be an line by line. So if you give a single space also, it will give an indent block errors. The main thing of this video is, so make sure you need to write your code in line by line, and don't get depressed while getting an indent block errors. So if you get this indent block errors, so you can type a is equals to 9 again. So if you are giving 3 spaces here, okay, so once if you are getting 3 spaces here, so go to again this a is equals to 9 place the cursor here, press enter. So automatically it will show you again the indent block error is there. Okay, you need to take care of that. You need to take care of these indent block errors. How can you overcome these indent block errors also? I will update your document. Please go through that. Thanks for watching. I hope so.